Di bitaw, I'm just really proud of this man right here. Of my husband. Kaya sa mga wala nakabalo, palagi ang kanta nga gimahal kay natong tanan is actually a song he released independently. So buti pasabot, wala siya backer, wala siya big company, wala siya big music label backing him up. He did it on his own. And before na natabo, mga last year, ano na siya nga, love, mag-business na lang ko, love, kaya maragwa na ko'y pag-asas music. But like the message of this song, if it is meant to happen for you, it will happen for you. Because in a span of less than a year, TJ is now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. And there are more songs coming which I know you guys will definitely appreciate. So if you were going through something, actually ako po, this is also a reminder to me. Because I think I'm in my season of waiting. It's so easy to give in sa feeling of defeat. Na murag, gihatag na madyod na ako tanan, wa madyod ko'y kadaugan eh. But whenever I feel that, tanaw lang ko kang TJ. Because if God made it happen for TJ, He can make it happen to me. He can make it happen to you. To everybody, even the people na gitanaw ani karon wherever you are in the world. If it is meant for you, it's gonna happen for you. In the same way, na bisan unsaon pa ni magpugos ang mga butang nga dili pod meant sa imuha, di gyud na matabo. So if something is being taken away from you, buy ina. Buy ina lang na, because that only means both of your hands have to be ready for a bigger blessing, a bigger opportunity, or the love that you deserve. Buyan na mga tao nga sig pasakit nimo, dili ka ma-appreciate. Buyan na kanang trabaho nga feeling nimo mao na lang ang good ni. Toxic kayo pero mao na lang ang good ni. I know magstorya man ni TJ. Sorry taas kay no, but I'm just taking this as an opportunity to share and inspire. Dili po dali nga moingon nga, or just step out of your comfort zone. Kaya we don't have that privilege na pwede na ko basta-basta mag-fail. Because not all of us have a backup plan. I can't just experiment on something kay wala ko'y parents na sure ko nga sa luon ko sa tanan-tanan, financially, opportunities, ana. Because pwede po na I cannot experiment, I cannot just step out of my comfort zone because my family is depending on me. But sometimes we just have to take that leap of faith. Because if success was easy, if happiness was easy na makuha dayon, if peace was easy na makuha dayon, then kita tanan walay problema. But we just have to make that decision to try. To fight for ourselves, for our dreams, for our families, for the people that we love. Muna to, nahurot na nako ang time sa kanta. Next song na lang taan eh. But yeah. If it's meant to happen, it's gonna happen.